How to change your password in Finary. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Finary and want to change your account's password, firstly open up the Finary app on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your Finary account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now on the next page, scroll down and tap on Edit My Codes under Security. Now, click on the Edit Password option and then go ahead and enter your current password in the first field. After you do that, go to the New Password field and write down your new password you want to change to. Confirm the new password once again by typing it down in the next field. Finally, click Confirm. But before that, if you want to be disconnected from other device that you may have logged into, then you can toggle on this switch over here for your security and finally click Confirm. So right after you do that, you will be able to change your password easily in Finary. Your account is now protected with your new login details. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.